So that's going to do it for the first half. Chiefs are up in this one. The Patriots prepared to return the kick. And he's tackled right at about the 28-yard line. Tom Brady under center. Now 1st and 10. He's looking to the right here on this throw. Gains 15.
Well, I think we all know the situation here. It's a close game in the second half, and you're losing, but you pick up a first down. Oh, my gosh. That opens up many more possibilities, what you can do on the offensive side. Good job by the offense.
The Patriots this time will go with 2 tight ends. 1st down and 10. He'll throw it over the middle. That brings the play to an end.
Well, the Deacon Duck quarterbacks, they love to see cover 3 because they know they're going to drop back and just throw the short passes underneath. Good job by the quarterback taking advantage of this defense.
Tom Brady under center. Handoff made. Trying to power his way right up the middle.
The Patriots did a good job that time picking up the first down. Let's look at the situation. You're behind just by a few points in the second half. You keep looking to pick up those first downs, and you get enough of them. What does it do? Pretty simple. It leads to a score.
First and 10. Handoff. Able to take the football out to the 28-yard line.
The Patriots offensive line will be moving it up tomorrow when they watch this play in the film room. What a good job by them. Excellent planning and awesome execution.
Shane Vereen lined up in the backfield. 1st and 10. Throws to the right. Easy catch there. No one near him. Tackles made.
Big first down by the offense that time. Here in the second half, they're losing a close game, and you get that first down. It just gives you confidence. It opens up the playbook, and it just gives you a better chance of going down the field and getting the score.
Here's the first snap after the big play. Halfway through the 3rd quarter. Brady to Amendola, and he's out of bounds.
Anytime your team is down, you're inside the other team's red zone, you look for one of your star players, your quarterback, wide receiver, or running back. They need to make a big play here.
Second and goal from the 4. Vereen inside. And that's Houston in on the stop.
When you get 3rd and goal, a lot of times it just comes down to who's going to fight the hardest. We'll find out here in a second.
Makes the catch in the end zone. Touchdown.
Gets pretty tight down in here when you got 3rd and goal. Not a lot of room for receivers to work in, but the quarterback and receiver, they're on the same page. Good throw and catch.
The Patriots lined up now for the point after. And the extra point is good.
The Chiefs are anxious to return the kickoff.
And he's tackled right at the 30-yard line after that return.
First and 10. Jamal Charles carries the football.
McCourty's all over that offense and brings him down.
Good job by the defense. They stopped the first down play that time by the offense, and now they have a good situation.
Charles is lined up in a single back formation.
With two hands, he has it.
The tackle's made and the first down is picked up.
The Chiefs look pretty confident out there on the field, don't they? And they're very calm, and they should be. That first down, they're right in this game. Down a couple points here in the second half. Don't look down the field for that big play. Just keep marching.
Jamal Charles is in the backfield.
First down and 10. It'll give it to Jamal Charles. Tackle down right around the 47. Second down and 6. Looking across the middle, and now they'll be on the other side of the 50 after this play.
Well, I think we all know the situation here. It's a close game in the second half, and you're losing, but you pick up a first down. Oh, my gosh. That opens up many more possibilities, what you can do on the offensive side. Good job by the offense.
That'll bring us to the end of the third quarter here in Foxborough.